What is a flat? In music, a flat is when you go down in pitch. In a reference detail, you are lowering the note in pitch. This is the flat symbol. It looks like a lowercase b. Just like the sharps, flats also share the same black keys. The only difference here is that now we are traveling to the left of the piano. The main key here is we are going down in pitch to get flats. There are 5 flats: D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat. Learn the flats. The black keys represent these flats. An easy way to learn the flats is to look at the white note directly to the right of the flat you want to play. The first black key, a semitone to the left of the B key, is B flat. The second black key, a semitone to the left of the A key, is A flat. The third black key, a semitone to the left of the G key, is G flat. The fourth black key, a semitone to the left of the E key, is E flat. And lastly, the fifth black key, a semitone to the left of the D key, is D flat. Notes without flats. The only keys without any black keys next to them are F and C. These two notes don't have flats. Remember this: no black keys, no flats. Important note: music is complex. People interpret it in many ways. Although the notes F and C don't have flats, if you ever hear someone reference F flat, just know they are talking about an E note. Vice versa with B being C flat. Again, music is very complex. The black keys went from being sharps to flats. Yes, I know, right? A bit confusing. This is because these notes are enharmonic equivalent. In modern musical notation and tuning, an enharmonic equivalent is a note, interval, or key signature that is equivalent to some other note, interval, or key signature spelled or named differently. A suggestion for beginners: just learn the sharps and flats as I shown in these videos for now. When you advance in music theory, you may have a better grasp at why there's F flat. Basics first. Good job on learning the flats. Memorize them.